Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have something I always say exciting, but is it really that exciting? I don't know. So for today's video I have my favorite fall lips for you guys. So that is why I'm wearing such a dark lip currently, is because I am so ready for fall. Fall is my favorite season, favorite time of the year, favorite everything. Like, I am such a fall junkie. Like, I love everything fall, and then Christmas time hits and that's my absolute favorite. So I really thought that I would just sit down and talk about some of my favorite fall lips for you guys. And so it's gonna be a lip swatches video as well. Pray for my lips because I'm pretty sure they're gonna be dead by the end of this. But I did want to run through all these things for you guys, talk about them a little bit. So I have lip pencils, I have liquid lips, I have normal lipsticks, and I have a gloss. So I think that pretty much covers everything. Let's do this. So I guess we will go in the order of lip pencils first. So I have 3 lip pencils for you guys to talk about today. So first off is one of my newer purchases, and I actually really like it a lot. This is the CoverGirl Lip Perfection lip pencil in the shade 205 Smoky Intense. Now this lip pencil is just kind of a bit deeper than a nude. It's not like a super fall lip in my opinion, but I do have some in here for people who are afraid to wear kind of a bolder, darker lip. I know I'm kind of that way sometimes. Like, some days I'm like, ooh, like a bold lip is just not in my life today. So I do have a few options in here that are kind of like deeper nudes. They're still a nude, but they're just a tad deeper so that they are kind of in line with like the fall. And this is one of them. I think this is a really nice pencil. It's very creamy. It lasts on my lips a long time. It's not drying. None of that. It's just really awesome. The next lip pencil I have for you guys is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Taurus. Now this is a collaboration with Kathleen Lights, I believe, and I really like this lip liner. Their lip liners are nice and creamy as well. They last a long time on my lips. It is a brown nude, so it is, at least on my skin, it is kind of a fall color because it is like really dark on me personally. Now if you have any darker skin than I do, then it probably will be more like a deeper nude on you. And lastly for lip pencils is this NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Vintage. And this is just a really pretty like wine color. I really love this color. I've gotten so many compliments when I wear it. I think it is like one of the most stunning fall lips. In my opinion, a way to stand out in the fall is kind of to wear like, you know, a dark lip, but like throw a spin on it. So wear like this like purple mauve-y kind of color. I just think it's so pretty. So I love this one. Next I have one lippy stick. Now this is from ColourPop obviously, and this is in the shade Chateau. This is a matte lippy stick. Now I will say that this is pretty drying. It's not going to be the most creamy, super like hydrating formula you will ever wear, but it is so pretty that I just get over the fact of how drying it is on my lips. This is one of those like staple fall colors in my opinion. It's kind of got like that red tone, and it's just much deeper and darker, and I guess you would call that like a burgundy. I don't know. It's just so pretty. I love it, and I think it is perfect for fall time. This is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in the shade 477 Black Cherry. I wore this to my senior prom and I do not regret it. I think it is so pretty. It is one of those like deep, dark, vampy lips. It's so pretty, and I really do like the formula of this Revlon lipstick. I only have this one. I swear I had more Revlon lipsticks, but I have this one. And I just think it's so nice, so pretty, very dark, very just vampy and beautiful, and I don't know. There's something about when you put on this lipstick that just makes you feel like you own the world. And if you own this lipstick, please let me know if you feel the same way when you wear this, because I totally do. Alright, next I have 2 kind of like more nudes. So these are gonna just be like your deeper nude if you're, again, like I said, uncomfortable with wearing a super dark color. And the first one I'm gonna talk about is just a classic. This is the L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Toasted Almond. This lipstick and I go way back. This was one of my first lipstick purchases. It does give you this just beautiful color to your lips. It looks so good. And these stay for quite a while. The only thing is I hate the smell of these. They smell horrid. They smell awful, but I get past the smell because this is just a really nice everyday fall lipstick lip color. Next I have the Maybelline Matte Lipstick in the color Touch of Spice. Now this is kind of more of like a mauve-y color. This is another one of those first purchases for me. My mom used to wear this lipstick and so I loved it and I wore it all the time, like every day. But now it's kind of more of like a fall lip for me because it is kind of more like purple mauve-y. I really thought it was a nude, but now that I look at it, it's not really, but it's still really pretty. I think it's perfect for fall time. And the last actual lipstick I have to share with you guys is the Makeup Forever Rouge Artist Intense lipstick in the shade 41. Now this is a very pretty deep red color. I think this is like a classic kind of look. I mean all the time, but I think in fall like these really stand out and they really make a difference. I really just enjoy this color. I think it's really nice and these lipsticks are really nice. This is the only one I actually own from Makeup Forever, but I think it's a really nice formula and it stays on the lips a long time, and again that red color is just perfect for fall. So I do have one lip gloss to recommend to you guys, only because, okay, I have a lot of lipstick formulas I like, but I don't have deep lip glosses, and that's because I don't personally like them on myself. I'm recommending this one to you guys today because I love the formula and because I do own the deep one and I like it on my lips. It's just not my favorite thing. If you like dark glosses on yourself, I would totally 100% recommend this to you guys because I think it is an amazing formula. It stays a long time. It smells delicious. Just the only thing again is that I don't prefer, like I would pick a nude gloss over a dark gloss any day. That's just me. But if you guys are different than me, then I'm recommending this because I know we all have our different like preferences and stuff. So this is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Lip Gloss in the shade Hype. This is really pretty. It is again like a deeper kind of nude, but like almost to like that red kind of color. At least on me it looks more like brown, red, nude, if that makes any sense at all. Okay, and so next, the biggest thing that I have to recommend is liquid lips, and not because I'm just obsessed with liquid lips, but because I'm obsessed with these colors. Some liquid lipsticks I hate the formula of because they're just too drying and too awful and I just don't even want to try it. But these ones I do want to talk about. First off, I want to start with these because these are one of the more bearable liquid lipstick formulas that I found. I really do like these. I think they stay a long time. They're really great. And these are the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipsticks. I have mine in the shade Miami Fever and Havana Nights. Now Miami Fever is this one right here. This is the more orange tone. I think this is perfect for October because like pumpkin patches, you can just like match your pumpkin, and I just think it's perfect. I love it for fall time in general because I actually have really started to like orange lips, specifically this one. I think it is perfect for fall time. You can be a pumpkin, feel your inner pumpkin, whatever you want, and I just think it is really flattering. Also, I don't think I said this, but these are in collaboration with Kathleen Lights because I gotta support her all the time. And then this one is Havana Nights. Now this is like your dark classic vampy lip. This is more of like the red, whereas you know there's some like really deep like purple or browns. This is more of a deep red. Now this one's really pretty too. I really do like, again, the formula, long lasting, very comfortable on the lips. I will say with this one though, I do have to wear a lip liner because it does get a little bit patchy, but I can look past that because I really don't mind. This is a really comfortable lip formula as well. Now these are from Stila Cosmetics and these are the Stay All Day Liquid Lipsticks. I have two of these and I wanted to recommend, first off, this is more of a deeper nude and I think these would be great for fall. Again, like I said earlier, this is in the shade Toscana and it's just a really pretty like brown nude. It's very deep. The tube is deceiving because it looks like it's going to be like a nice like light nude, and then you take it out and it's like not even the same color. And then this is another one that I think is great. This is in the shade Rico, also by Stila Cosmetics. This is just, again, kind of like the Havana Nights. They're all different in their own way. This is kind of more of a purpley deep color. I think it looks so stunning on the lips. Looks really good, lasts a long time, is very comfortable on the lips. Next, I wanted to recommend this one. This is from Galactic Beauty. This is their matte lip paint and I have this in the shade Blossom. I actually wore this on 4th of July because I thought it would be really pretty. It turns out it was a lot deeper than I thought it was gonna be. I'll put a picture up if I can find one. But this is so comfortable. Like, this liquid lipstick is really comfortable on the lips. I wore it for like ever, like all night, and it didn't move. It was very comfortable. My lips weren't like so dehydrated that they needed like water right then. You know, they were okay and everything. And this color is just so pretty. Not to mention, I think this smells like a cupcake. Yeah, this smells like cake batter. I don't know if you can get your hands on it anymore, and I'm sorry if you can't, but if you do own it at home already, I think this is a great color for fall. And this is the Palladio by Casey Holmes collab with their matte liquid lip color in the shade Rescue. This is a deeper nude. It's just beautiful. It's like a brown nude. It's dark. It's nice. It looks beautiful with fall things. I just think it's a perfect color for fall. And then last, I do want to mention these two, although I do want to say that I don't particularly like the formula on these. These are way more drying, and I feel like you can't layer them, so like after a while these do wear off on your lips. And I tried to layer them one time, and there was a little bit of flaking going on and cracking, and just like my lips were so dry. But I did put one on today, and just to remember the formula. My lips right now don't feel like the life has been sucked out of them. It is a little bit drying, but it's actually more comfortable than I remember. I don't know if those past few times my lips were just super dry, or like what was going on. I don't know. But these are the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipsticks, and I have mine in the shade Ashton and the shade Vamp. So Ashton is actually the color I'm wearing today. It looks a lot darker on my lips than it does in the tube. Again, that could be because I'm very fair, but this is more like a deeper nude. I don't feel like I'm in like such a vampy lip that, you know, it's uncomfortable for me or anything. It's more like a dark nude, kind of like everyday color for fall. I think it's just a perfect color. I really do love this color. Like, I love this color. The formula is just not my favorite. And then the last one I did want to mention is Vamp. So I said earlier that I did have two colors. So this is the other color I have in the Anastasia. Obviously, by the name, Vamp, total fall color. It's just a deeper, like, burgundy shade. It looks perfect and vampy for those days, you know. Again, the formula is not my favorite, but it's just a perfect statement color for fall, obviously. Vamp, perfect name for it. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite fall lip colors are, and let me know if there are any formulas or any specific colors that I should be checking out. Thank you guys for watching this video and supporting me. It means the world to me, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video.